Hello, everybody. Sometimes, you are filled with enthusiasm and you are overwhelmed to share your happiness with others. So am I. Because the results of CBSE have already been declared and the outstanding performance of the children have made me to have a conversation with all so that I can really share my feelings and the results of my little stars who have shined and made us feel proud. The results of all India senior secondary examinations for class 10th and 12th were announced by the Central Board of Secondary Education. In merit, the students of Krishna Public School have passed with flying colors. Excellence in education, and over the years, our students have left no stone unturned to do us proud, to make us proud into the academic areas. The session has indeed been a glorious one for our class 12th and 10th students, as they performed exceedingly well in the CBSE board examinations. We express this complete tribute and our deepest gratitude to all the students and of course the faculty members, the respected teachers who've been putting up their heart and soul to bring these best results out of the students. Parents as well have completely given their devotion and best efforts for this beautiful, unfinishingly sharpened students who has come up with extraordinary results. The support and guidance of the blessings of all together have made it possible. Students of Krishna Public School Merit have achieved a remarkable position in CBSE 10th and 12th board examinations 2020. With 100% success rate, here is the list of the toppers. The list is long. I am going to read it because I'll be announcing the names of the students which will verify the percentage that how successfully they have achieved the target of getting the good results in CBSE examinations. The school toppers from class 12 are, now I have to say that as follows because the list is huge. But I'll begin with the school topper Arjun Singh, who scored 486 marks out of 500 with 97.2%. From science stream, I must say again, because you all must be watching and observing that the school toppers from maximum schools are from the humanities stream with 96 and 97, 98 maybe the percentage. But the science stream students achieving 97.2% is an extraordinary effort, which is only possible due to the efforts of the teachers and of course the hard work of the students which they've been giving the whole session. Now let us begin with the list of the students. Agam Gupta with 96.6%, Shiv Kumar 96.2%, Kanhaiya Ruhela from 96.2%, then Nikita Sharma 96, Chavi Pawar 96, Khushi Singh 95.8, and I must say that Khushi Singh is one of the teachers' ward. It is not so that our own children are not studying into the same school and are not achieving good results. Shreya Gupta 95%, Prashant Sharma 95, Talib 94.4, Kunal Rastogi 94%, Gunjan Gupta 91.8, Archita 90.8, Arshad Ali 90.4%, Neha Negi 90.2, Ranjan Pandey 90, Jaina 90, Sajal Seni 90%, Bhumika 90%, Nikita Bhardwaj 90%, Devansh Bhardwaj 90%, Ashish Pratap Singh 88.6, Shivam Yadav 88.4, Garima 88.4, Vikas Yadav 88.4, Mahi Tyagi 88.2, Mansi Chaudhary 88, Ayushi 88%, Mayank Verma 87.4, Akhya 87%, N. Arish 87, Ananya Chauhan 86.6, 91.8, Archita 90.8, Arshad Ali 90.4%, Neha Negi 90.2, Ranjan Pandey 90, Jaina 90, Sajal Seni 90%, Bhumika 90%, Nikita Bhardwaj 90%, Devansh Bhardwaj 90%, Ashish Pratap Singh 88.6, Shivam Yadav 88.4, Garima 88.4, Vikas Yadav 88.4, Mahi Tyagi 88.2, Mansi Chaudhary 88, Ayushi 88%, Mayank Verma 87.4, Akhya 87%, N. Arish 87, Ananya Chauhan 86.6 and M. Snehi 86.4. List is still going on. Anupriya 85%, Utkarsh 85, Tarun Rastogi 84.4, Anand Kumar Jha 84.4, Utkarsh Lodi 84.2, Ritika Pal 84%, Harsh 83.6, Ananya 83.6, Vidhi Chawla 83.4, Sparsh Tomar 82.4, Anjali 82, Saloni Garg 82, Nikita Sagar 82, Anshika Words 82, Apar Daksh 80.4, Shubham Seni 80. This is the result of the student who has scored more than 80%, and n number of students are there who has got distinctions into almost all the subjects, which I am unable to express because it will be hard to say and announce everybody's name. Now, it was only the list of the students who were with the positions in class 12, and now I would really like to share with you the students of class 10th and their overwhelming results also. Bhumika 95%, Harshita 94%, Shreya 91.2%, Vishakha 90%, Dhruv 90%, Isha 89%, Ansh 89%, Saksham Garg 88%, Avika Chaudhary 86.4%, Ritika 86%, Devansh 85.6%, Anshu 85%, Simran 82%. I really want to congratulate each and every child, and congratulations once again to all the star performers of Krishna Public School who has made us proud with such overwhelming results. Thank you.